This is Zuzu and Chucho. Okay, they're the best agriculturists here in Banbuhin. In the network for environment and economic development school model farm initiative. These are best man here, Zuzu. Second best man, Chuchu. And here is our great visitor from Child's Dream. Also, I don't know if he has done this or this is his first time. This is your first time too?
First time in the city.
Ah, okay, in the city.
But on the mountain I used to do it.
Oh, really? Yeah?
I'm very happy.
Yeah, I know.
Kind of like saw it. Not saw, but pull.
Here's Sam, the Superman of meat, and JP, who went here just to harvest the rice coming from London.
Harvest a lot of rice. Mostly on weekends.
Yeah. Okay.